Hey all, Stephanie here. So this is going to be a beauty haul, I guess. And I got a couple other things. I got some stuff from Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So I always put these types of hauls on this channel. And if you want to see like art hauls, craft hauls, and stuff like that, check out Stephanie Garrett Creative, and I will put that link down in the description. Also, I'll put my link tree down in the description just so you can check out all the things that I have going on. You see all my links that's associated with my art and my jewelry making and all that. Okay. So I went to Marshall's and I will show you what I grabbed. So I got this cute little thing here. This is like a little pill box, y'all. It's flashing out. Sorry. All right. It says a pill case. And this is great if you want to take your vitamins and stuff with you, like I sometimes like to do. So it is really super cute. You know what? I wanted to open this and so we can look at it. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. And it's really cute. And it has like the little let me see. Oh, I see. So it's like upside down. Okay, so you got Sunday through Wednesday here, and then the rest of the days like this. Okay. All right. So yeah, this is good for traveling if you want to, take your vitamins or your medications with you. Because sometimes taking a bunch of pill bottles is kind of inconvenient. So something like this is pretty nice, and you can fit, a number of them in there. So I like that, and I like that. It had different colors too at Marshalls. I hadn't been in a Marshalls in a while. I always go to TJ Maxx, but yeah, I saw this. And I thought it was really cute for $4.99. So got that, and then y'all, I got I think it's called Creme Shop, the Cream Shop, Creme Shop. I don't know how they say it. Daily exfoliating pads. You get 60 soaked pads here. So I'm gonna try these. I like this brand. They have really cute stuff, good products and stuff like that. So I decided I'm gonna try those, and they were $5.99. All right, at Marshalls. I love the Marshalls beauty section, just like TJ Maxx. So a lot of they carry the same stuff mostly. This is a peptide wrinkle erase serum. This was $5.99. I like this brand. I've used this brand, with different serums and stuff, and I really, really like it. It's really good. So I said I was going to give this one a try. So for $5.99, why not, right? Then I got some wipes, retinol wipes, 60 wipes, 60 count, and then these. I've had these before. I really like them. They were $3.99 in Marshalls. All right, so I've had those in the past. And then y'all look at this. Now I've gotten a few makeup palettes. I think I have 5 altogether. I bought a bunch of them at TJ Maxx, and I'll show you those. I hadn't seen this. This one is called Game of Thrones by Revolution. I love the Revolution brand. They have some of the prettiest colors, you know, for eye makeup, right? So look at these colors. Aren't they rich and beautiful? Like everything. When you're layering it, it can look really, really nice. Oh, I love these. Oh, that one's beautiful. Let's look at this one. Oh, y'all, I ain't got to put enough on my hand here. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. So pretty. Oh, beautiful. So I got that one. Just really beautiful. I don't have a palette with just all like blues and cool colors like this. So I thought that was a good deal. So I love that. And how much was this? Oh, this was $6.99, y'all. All right, so I got that. I'm gonna leave that out because I'm gonna put that in my makeup thing. All right. Okay, so here's the first bag of stuff that I got at TJ Maxx from the first trip. By the way, I'm filming on my art table here. It's just more convenient to film here. I have to figure out a new way of filming for this channel, but it works for now. So I got this. I've heard this is really good. The blemish patrol pads, right? Is that what it says? Yes. By this brand, First Aid Beauty. And these were $12.99, y'all. I thought, because I saw these in Sephora. I don't know, it was way more expensive for Sephora. It wasn't $12.99, I can tell you that. Nothing in this brand was that. So I heard that they were really good too. So now I have 2 of them, right? I want to try both of these for, when I get breakouts and stuff. So even at my age, I still get breakouts. And of course, Revolution mascara. I love their mascara. I've had several of those in the past, and I really love the Revolution mascara. This one's called Wispy Lash. Okay, I'm gonna try this. You get the fanned out look, right? And this was $3.99. So I grabbed that. All right. Now, here's the other palette I got. I got this at TJ Maxx and it was $6.99. All right. And then this one is the other Game of Thrones. I'm not sure how many of these, came out. I don't know. This is my first time seeing them. So this one is really, really nice as well. I love this. But see, I got this one too. So I wasn't sure if I had some of the same colors here. Probably. I don't know. I have to look. But I love this palette too. It's so beautiful. Right? Let's take this little thing off of here. Let's see here. Hold on. All right. These are just beautiful colors, beautiful, rich colors. Right? Just gorgeous. Beautiful. I love this one. These two. Oh my God. So pretty. So I'm not sure if I need this and this. I don't know. I'm debating, right? But I love it. I love it a lot. All right. Because like this one and this one. It might be darker. This one's darker, I think. So, but I love this one. The Game of Thrones palettes are really, really nice. All right. Beautiful. I'm like, well, I guess I got to start going somewhere to wear all this makeup. I'm sorry, y'all. I got my mug on the camera. Yeah, I guess I got to go somewhere to start wearing all this stuff, right? So there's that, right? Get out of the house a little bit more so I can, beat my face and go someplace so y'all can see my pretty makeup. Now this I loved. I had never seen this before. This is called the Maxi Reloaded palette. Yeah, by Revolution. Look at these colors. Like everything. Everything. And some of these colors I don't even have. Like look at these. I've never seen those before. Just beautiful. This is a beautiful palette. It was $6.99. Okay. Really beautiful palette. Yeah. I thought that was a great find for that. Okay. Now let me show you the other stuff. Okay, so I have more palettes. Like I need more palettes. This looks like an art palette to me. I'll show you in a second. I saw this one. This is a blush palette. Also by Revolution. All the makeup is by Revolution, I believe. Yes, all the makeup is by Revolution. And this was $4.99. These are some pretty colors. These two I probably won't wear because they're probably too sheer. But these other ones I can definitely rock. For sure. Right? For $4.99. So this one is called Ultra Blush Sugar and Spice. Oh, I thought that was so pretty. So I'm going to try that, for that price. Why not? It was only one, so I grabbed it. And then this one is Makeup Revolution London Maxi Reloaded palette, another one. And this one is called Maxi Reloaded. So what is this one? Let me see. What is the name of this one, y'all? Oh, they're all Maxi Reloaded. This is Infinite Bronze. Oh, I gotcha. I see it. Monster Mats. So this one's called Monster Mats. I like this. I have nothing like this. Absolutely nothing like this. I was talking to a lady in the store when I was in line. And she's like, "Oh wow, you scored some really good palettes." And I was like, "Yeah, I don't know about these super bright colors." She says, "Well, once you start layering it, it looks different on your skin than it does in the container." I said, "I know." She said, "Well, play with and see." I said, "I am." For this price, it was $6.90, $7.99, y'all. This was $7.99. I don't know, maybe because it was, I don't know. I don't know why it's $7.99, but like I love this turquoise. I love that. I love the turquoise. I love these pinks. Oh, these pinks are everything. I love this color. The yellows I'm not fond of, but overall I like this palette. It's really beautiful. I think it's really beautiful. I don't own anything like this, so yeah, I'm keeping that. Now this one, these two, y'all, I don't know. Like they look so similar, right? So similar. But I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna have to compare the numbers. Right? I think these are a little bit warmer. But these are beautiful. This one is called Large It Up. Large It Up. And this is called, what is this one called? Infinite Bronze. So apparently they are different. But I like this one too, y'all. Where the hell we gonna wear all these eyeshadows at, y'all? Where are we going? Are we going anywhere? I need to go somewhere. So I can wear all this stuff. This is beautiful. This color is gorgeous. Oh my God, just so beautiful. Just beautiful. And all these colors look really good on me, but my complexion. So I would rock these colors forever. Like they are fabulous. So I am well stocked on eyeshadows, y'all. I ain't got to buy another eyeshadow. I say that and then I come back with 3 pounds because I'm always seeing stuff I really, really like, right? I see stuff I love. So right here, I got 5 new palettes, right? I'm gonna have to look and see. This one's called Third Eye Raven. Third, yeah, Third Eyed Raven. That's what this Game of Thrones is called. Let me see. I guess this one has a name too. Oh, Winter is Coming. So if you're looking for that, that's the name of those. Okay. Yeah, really, really nice, really beautiful palettes. Love. Okay. Now I got two other things that I'm really excited about. Let me show you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? I was getting in line to go pay, right? And they have the, you know how they have the stuff down the aisle. And they had the coffee cups there. I always check out the coffee cups because I love a great, cute coffee mug. I'm a coffee mug freak. So my husband always says I have too many coffee mugs. I don't know what to do all with these coffee mugs, but I could not resist getting this, the Hello Kitty coffee mug, and she was $9.99, a little pricey. She was a little pricey, but look at how adorable. Isn't she darling? Just so cute. Oh, I love this. Brings back my childhood. So I am going to enjoy having my morning cup of coffee out of this super cute little mug. So yay, I love that. So if you guys are looking for this, these are going to sell out real quick. So you should probably go grab one if if you really want it, okay? So we got that. All right. Now let me show you the other fun thing I got. Okay, so the other fun thing I grabbed was these. I can't put them in the shot here. I got me a pair of Crocs, y'all. I've been looking for some Crocs forever. And I like that these have thick soles on them. So these were, how much were these? $29.99? Yes, $29.99 at TJ Maxx. I wanted some real, I don't never really owned a pair of Crocs before. Um, I like the ones with the multicolors because I'm an artist. So I like to wear these when I'm painting and I'm, in my studio and stuff like that because they're nice and comfy. So I decided to go ahead and grab the black ones because I can wear black anytime. But I really, really like these. I was so happy I scored a pair because they never have my size. Never. I almost never see my size, because it seemed like as soon as they put them out, everybody grabs them. So I was lucky enough to get a pair of these. Like I don't even know, what style these are. I like the thick soles on them because when you have knee and ankle issues, these are kind of comfy. So yeah, I grabbed those. Yep, y'all. So that is it for my little haul here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below and I'll answer and get back to you. And check out my links that I'm gonna post down in the description if you want to see all the other things I have going on. All right. And I'm probably gonna pop in TJ Maxx here again soon. And see what else other cute things I could grab. All right. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.